Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Canva to create designs for clients, teammates, or social media, this video is going to make your life a whole lot easier. Today, I'll show you exactly how to share a public view link in Canva, step by step, so anyone can see your design without being able to edit it. This feature is perfect for showcasing your work, sharing drafts, or getting quick feedback. Let's jump right in. First, open the Canva design you want to share. Once your design is on the screen, look towards the top right corner. You'll see a button labeled Share. Click on it. This opens up Canva's sharing options, your main hub for controlling who can view or edit your design. Now here's the part that's easy to miss. Click on See All. Doing this expands the full list of sharing methods. In that expanded list, look for an option called Public View Link. This is the magic button that allows you to share your design safely. People can view it, but they can't change anything. Once you've selected Public View Link, you'll see a button that says Create Public View Link. Go ahead and click it. Canva will instantly generate a unique link for your design, one that's view only. Now you'll see your new link appear on screen. Just click Copy and you're done. You can now paste that link anywhere, in an email, a chat, a project management tool, or even on social media. Anyone with that link can open your design in their browser, view it in full quality, but won't have any editing permissions. And that's it. You've just learned how to create and share a Canva public view link in 2025. It's simple, secure, and super handy for freelancers, designers, and teams who want to share their work professionally without worrying about accidental changes. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick Canva tips and creative tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy designing.